What? This isn't the S2K.
Wait,
Bro.
dude. Alright, so why are we in the Altima?
Because Leo just picked up a Tahoe.
Why are we doing this?
I don't know, man. Because why not?
Exactly. Hey, low-key, imagine, bro, we just gonna slam that, throw some 20s on it, and it'll be good, bro.
Throw a hydro brake in that. That'll be cool.
I think so. Sheesh! Oh! Oh, okay. So I'm pretty sure they're probably gonna give you an update later, but they're both taking shits right now at the same time. Well, Andy just left to go take a shit because he was complaining about the whole way home, and Leo is taking the shit now. So they'll update you, but I mean, this is really, I really don't know. They just picked me up in the morning and told me, you know, this is what we're picking up. I was like, okie dokie. I don't ask questions.
Well, you can do it. You can do it.
That's the man. Go, go, bro, go. You got this, Andy.
Oh shit, my bad. That makes sense. Yeah. You already know, guys, it's hot as fuck, so we need a canopy. Alright.
Go ahead. Do your thing.
Do your thing. It's okay. How do these things work? I've never used them.
You know what?
Do they set up on? Is there like a button?
My dad told me about these things once.
Maybe you gotta.
He said that he always pinched his fingers on them. Like.
You mean, do we gotta like set it up ourselves?
Leo,
What?
we have to set this thing up ourselves?
What do you mean?
There's not like a button for it or something?
We can't just. There's not an app or nothing.
Do you have to connect through Bluetooth or?
Y'all some lazy motherfuckers.
Maybe a strap you pull?
Is it like those
It's a
inflatable
fucking
things?
app, you idiot.
Alright guys, what's up? Have you guys copped the shirt yet? If you haven't, link down to the website below. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna tuck the brake line, so I gotta take off the wheels. We're gonna jack up the car right now, and then we can take out the brake lines because
What are we gonna do with the brake lines?
we're gonna tuck them.
You're gonna what?
We're gonna tuck them, bro.
Like who?
Bro, I'm gonna fucking fire you, bro, I swear.
So look, man, you didn't have to take it that far, okay? You know I got kids. So yeah, do that. What you doing?
I don't know, I had a boost leak. And it's just started driving all funny.
Oh really?
Yeah. I don't know if this bolt's a little too long.
So you tightening it right now?
No, I'm taking it
Oh,
out.
you're taking it off? No more air?
What?
What do you think it could be?
Huh?
What do you think it could be?
Whoa! I think I was having a boost leak. Well, I need to drive it. Let me move it.
You got the brake line going?
Yep. Hey bro, you trying to meet me in the love box later?
Yeah, bro, you already fucking know. Hey, actually, hopping in there, I was like, oh shit, this shit is nice.
Yeah, I like it. I love it.
Low-key, if I wasn't copping what I'm copping, I would cop. I'd probably be like Marcel right now. I'd probably off-road that shit.
That'd be sick. Look at that, guys. We stepping up around here.
Finally, some quality parts.
I know, for real. Hey, lifetime warranty, guys. You honestly can't beat it.
Really?
Hell yeah, dude. This shit ever goes bad, you just fucking get replaced for free.
It's like the snap-on and motor mount.
Oh, yup. I'm for sure putting this one on.
Which one?
This one's sick.
Damn.
That one's sick.
Oh, they all got bolts.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's perfect. Fuck yeah.
And it's the EG chassis. I want to say that you gotta weld on or something like that.
It's fucking sick.
Alright guys, so I haven't really been explaining too much this video, but I grabbed the mounts because we thought we were gonna need to weld them up, but the mounts bolt in perfectly everywhere. So yeah, that's awesome. I think it's the EG chassis that you need to weld in one of the mounts. Alright guys, so by removing this car is no longer able to go back to single cam or even a B series. So unless someone welds this back up, this is going to be a K series only chassis. And also, since the sealer got removed, we now have to weld that whole piece, and we can't just have one side like that, so both sides got to be done. So yeah, when you remove the sealing, guys, I mean, it's kind of bad, but whatever, it's gonna look good.
We'll get a wire wheel.
Alright. Yeah, so right now we need to go buy a wire wheel so we can grind it down and make it look good. Alright guys, so I just came back from the store. I bought some wire wheels so we can grind down the welds. I also bought this one right here for the angle grinder. So we're gonna go eat real quick, and then we're gonna come back, start welding, start grinding shit down, and start sanding shit down. And we're also gonna take that off. You guys ready to eat? You guys ready to clock into lunch?
Lunch is on you.
Yeah, for you. How about this guy?
What you doing, buddy?
Nothing. I already stabbed myself with this wire wheel.
Did you really?
Yeah. It's all good. You know, it happens.
Okay.
Alright guys, you already know I got the JDM glasses, safety glasses, so I'm gonna start grinding away at the rest of the sealer and just try to get it as smooth as I can. And then Leo's gonna go ahead and go and weld it later. And also I'm gonna start grinding that seam along right there, and same with this side. So yeah, I'm gonna start grinding shit.
So we got these Euro R glasses.
Yeah, guys, JDM glasses down in the description box. Link to our
Turquoise
website
links
if
only.
you want them. So yeah, guys, I'm basically gonna be grinding down just all the sealer right here. You can see that, and then just all along right here, and then over here too. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side.
Why are we doing that?
Because it's gonna look clean when it's painted.
Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy.
me?
I believe you, buddy.
Put on a long sleeve.
Wow.
We good? We live?
We live, baby.
Are you
live.
sure?
We live.
Because last time I checked, you weren't even recording, bro. So are you sure?
Yes.
Alright.
God damn, fucking retard.
You say something?
No.
Alright. Anyways guys, so as you guys can see, this thing is huge. I've gotten the majority of the sealer. So I'm gonna have to switch to the smaller one so I can get in the corners and shit. But watch, come here real quick.
Fuck no.
So you can see I got all that and then all along right here too. But for like the corner and stuff, I'm gonna just switch to the smaller one. So this thing's too big, you know. Sometimes in life, guys, bigger is better, but you know, sometimes you do need something smaller to get in the hard to reach places, you know.
I guess.
You feel me?
Yeah. It's understandable. Tiny meat gang. So he switched to the smaller one. Now he's using the smaller one.
Bro,
Wow.
dude,
See, guys.
you need a bus fare? Are you good, bro?
See, guys, this is how he treats me. Like a majority of the time, I don't even get paid. He keeps threatening to fire me. I'm gonna call BBB, Better Business Bureau.
I dare you. I fucking dare you.
Oh yeah, bitch. I'm gonna call corporate.
Yeah?
Yeah. Give me the fucking number. So what's going on now, mister?
I'm switching. I don't know which one I want. Probably gonna take this one. What do you think?
Which one?
This one.
Why not the one to the left of it?
This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. So what's up?
Well, first of all, my cock, because you look good. Nah, I'm just kidding, you don't. Alright guys, so there's no more of that sealer shit, so all that's left is to, weld. Ooh! Hey, okay, that's nice.
Ah!
Before Leo got me wet.
Cringy alert.
Anyways, all the sealer is pretty much rid of, so we just need to weld that up and then grind down the welds and sand it down and make it look pretty. And that's pretty much the plan for right now. Still gotta grind these down and then get that flat. Like this bracket right there, this bracket right there, this one right there. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna weld these up and that's pretty much gonna be it for today because fuck man. This takes so much time.
This is a doozy.
And it's stuff. Yeah. Well, what's up? I can't weld. Oh, I see it.
Oh, yup. Oh, yup. Buddy! What? What? What's up, dog? Alright, so Daddy Broke Boy's gonna give it a try.
Yeah. It's my first time welding. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just go at it. Right, Jose?
I think that's like the proper, like you seem certified is what I mean.
Hey, you pulled up to a mechanic shop. You wanted to get your frame welded, right? And you saw me. You saw me.
Hands like that. Yeah, you look.
Well, you trust me?
Yeah, you look official. For sure.
Sure. As long as I look official.
I'll probably go to you, dude, for my C notch, if anything, too. Nope.
I got you, bro. I got you.
For sure.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Bro, I need my LCAs extended.
Oh shit, look, there you go.
Nah.
Oh, wait, hold on. Shit.
Sorry, I had a match with Andy. I don't have any other. Shit, that's
A glitch in the simulation.
Hey, one of y'all needs to change.
Wait, we welded.
Andy about to go in, so I gotta make sure he don't catch on fire.
Hey, when it gets too long, I just break it, right? Alright guys, so I already got switched out. That was my first time welding, so working on my engine bay probably is not the best time to start learning, you feel me? So we let the veteran get at it.
Fuck, man, I don't even know what I'm doing.
Yeah, more experience than all of us. You're the veteran. Hey, what? Who?
Last time I seen him was when he put on his coilovers.
On that?
Yeah. Were you here?
That thing looks clean. Okay, Bryant, I see you. For real. That shit's sick. I like it. Alright guys, so we're done for today. The sun is about to go down. Probably have like 20 minutes of sunlight. So yeah, we're gonna push her in right now. But we got a lot done. So we removed the sealer and we started going in and welding that up on this side as well. So yeah, we still need to finish it, continue it right there, but yeah, just taking off the mount that was right there and just taking off that sealer took a lot of time actually, just to like get it all completely off. So yeah, after the welding is done, we just pretty much have to go through, grind it down, and then sand it, and maybe put some filler in some places so we can get it nice and smooth. And then it's gonna look clean as fuck, guys. I'm so hyped, I can already see the vision. And also guys, we took off the proportioning valve and we're gonna relocate it in the inside, so that's why it's not there. And the brake lines are out, so we're gonna be tucking those as well. I might have to buy like a kit or something because yeah, we're gonna weld up the holes where the brake line goes in, so yeah, I'm gonna have to look for another kit online or some shit. Brian.
Yeah.
Bro, where's your pants at, bro? Come on, there's children here.
Where are your pants at, bro?
Ha, touche. Bro, I haven't seen you in forever, and you pull up in that sick ass whip.
Yeah. Well, I traded in the truck for a kid, and now that I have a kid, I had to get another car to support my family. So.
I feel it, bro. That's certainly a sick ass family vehicle.
Hi, I'm the kid. He's supporting me.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. We gotta start cleaning up and shit. The homies came through, so we're just gonna kick it. But yeah, we gotta roll back in the Civic and clean all this up, put away the canopy, so yeah. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. It helps our videos get more suggested. And also, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got so much more content coming. And if you guys are already a subscriber, like we're turning up the pace, guys. So I'm telling you, we really want to finish this soon. So we've been putting in mad work this week on the Civic. We're gonna continue with the work next week and hopefully get this finished as soon as possible. Also, if you guys want any merch, if you guys want some hats, some shirts, make sure to check out the website. It'll be down in the description box down below. So with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video, and the vlogs are gonna be lit AF. You already know. Oh, what's going on over here?
I know.
Hey, hold on, what? Hey, Jose, what you about to do with that?
Huh?
What you about to do with this wheel?
Toss it
Ooh.
down the hill.
Oh.
No, just.
Oh,
no. Leo wanted to test fit these wheels on something, so.
He said just something. He said fuck it.
They don't fit. It won't fit?
They don't
Oh,
clear?
it's because the center.
Yeah,
It's my shit is too big.
Fuck.
And if I need anything like that, I have to put a spacer. If I want.
righting my wrongs. When I be writing these songs, I'm sacrificing it all. The lonely nights are my motives. Put a price on your